I'm Cecilia, a strategist at Part and Sum. Today I'm going to talk to you why your main nav isn't just a navigation tool. It's also an important expression of your brand. So some people think of a website's main nav as the signs you see over aisles in an actual retail store. It tells you where to find things and not much else, right? So take West Elm, for example. If you look at their main nav, you very much have the department aisles, right? For furniture, go here. For outdoor, go here. For rugs, go here. For bedding, go here. And so forth. Rothy's is the same thing. For shoes, go here. For bags, go here. And the last example of this is Madewell. They created a new aisle, right? If you want to see what we have, what's new, a new collection, go here. But for denim, go here. Clothing, go here. Shoes, go here. And so forth. And what was interesting was that the rise of direct-to-consumer brands a few years ago brought a shift towards storytelling and customer service. We started seeing sections like shop, about, FAQs, appearing main navs, especially for brands that only sell one type of product. Another good example of this is Buffy. They got famous for the comforter, right? And they followed the exact same thought process that I explained. Shop all, mission, which is basically an about page, FAQ, and contact us. So flash forward to 2020, a few years down the line for these brands, right? Those disruptive brands that brought so much revolution to e-com have entered their new phase of growth. They're now expanding their product offerings. Burrow, it's not just that cool sectional couch anymore that's super easy to install. They now also have storage solutions. They have tables inventions. They have rugs too. Casper doesn't just have the mattress anymore. Casper now has pillows and bed frames and bedding and gifts and bundles too. But, when I look at this, I think they brought so much disruption. And in this new phase, instead of keep pushing that, they kind of reverted back to the old way of using their main nav as category aisles. And you know what? I get it. I get that you need to tell the world that you have these new products, that you don't have just the couch or just the mattress anymore. You need to let people know that you have all these new cool products, but your main nav could do so much more. So here's the question and the exercise that I propose today. What if your main nav could introduce yourself, your brand, and not just your products? What if your main nav could tell your customers what your goals and values are? What if your main nav could reflect your brand strategy? Take Home Depot, for example. You can still go through the department aisles, right? You can go here, all departments, and see appliances, go here, bath and faucets, go here. But the main nav in itself is focused on framing popular categories like home decor, furniture, and kitchenware, as well as content and services. They have DIY projects and ideas. They have a project calculator. They have installation and services. This says to me, we don't just sell you stuff. We can help you figure out what you need, give you project inspiration, even come over and install something. And if you're about to do it yourself, that's a pretty good feeling. Another cool example is Patagonia. And I know that Patagonia is a cool example for lots of things, but today we're focusing on main nav. When you land on their site, if you don't know the brand, right away you understand what they're about. The main nav tells you that they're interested in activism, in sports, and editorial content, and that these things matter just as much as their products do. So here at Part and Sum, we kept this in mind when we redesigned our website a few weeks ago. So as you can see, our main nav shows off our three core areas of expertise, our products, if you will: innovation, strategy, and growth. We could have followed this traditional route and been like, about us, clients, cases, but no, we wanted our main nav to tell the story, to help explain whoever comes to our website what we are about and what are the three pillars of our brand and what we stand for. We also realized that we have a unique perspective on marketing, and we wanted to share our insights with anyone who's interested. So we direct people to our blog and our Loom videos. Finally, we want you to get to know us and get in touch if you're interested in working together. So there's an about page for you to learn a little bit more about us or contact us. And also if you have any questions or ideas. Speaking of which, what do you think about using the main nav as branding? Are you going to try it? Who has the best main nav out there? Let me know in the comments. And hey, why don't you and your team workshop your navigation as if you were workshopping your brand vision, mission, and values? We're big on collaboration here. We're big on workshopping. So it's worth. Take the conversation to your colleagues, share this video, and propose to them. Let's workshop. Let's think about it. If we were to use our main nav as an element of our branding, how would we do it? Thank you so much. I hope this video helped. It helped inspire you a little bit and get the conversation going. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.